हाय गाइस, सो इट्स दैट टाइम ऑफ द मंथ और इस मंथ होने वाला है फेब्रुअरी फेवरेट्स. So we want to see what are the things that I really loved in February month. Then please keep on watching the full video. But before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked down in the description box below. So chaliye, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that I am obsessed about this month is this Lifebuoy का छोटू सा हैंड सैनिटाइजर. दिस इज अ रियली गुड हैंड सैनिटाइजर. ये आपके हैंड को चिपचिपा नहीं बनाता है. दिस डज नॉट हैज water, so this is a really good hand sanitizer and I'm obsessed with this hand sanitizer this month and I really love this one. The second thing that I really loved this month is this Ramson's Secret Code deodorant spray. It smells so good. It smells heavenly. It has a manly fragrance and I like manly fragrances. If you are following me for some time, you already know that I love manly fragrances, and it has a manly fragrance and it is really good. It smells heavenly. I just love the smell. The third thing that I'm loving this month is this Savlon का बड़ा पैकेज. इसको मैं हर चीज में यूज करती हूँ. जब भी मैं लॉन्ड्री करती हूँ, जब मैं अपना कपड़ा धोने देती हूँ वॉशिंग मशीन में एंड ऑल दैट टाइम आई यूज Savlon एंड माई क्लोथ स्मेल्स लाइक Savlon. एंड अदर देन दैट मुझे Savlon का जो स्मेल है वो ही बहुत पसंद है. मैं अगर इसको अभी सूखना चालू करूं तो मैं कभी भी रोक नहीं पाऊंगी अपने आप को, बिकॉज आई लव इट स्मेल. नाउ द फोर्थ थिंग दैट आई एम रियली लविंग इज दिस Nimail household sanitizer. This is herbal and antibacterial, so this smells really good. This is a phenyl, so this smells really good. इसका 3 ingredient आता है I guess. एक है pine, एक है citro and एक है neem. So I really like the smell of citro and pine. I don't really care about the smell of neem, but I really love the smell of this. So these are all the random things that I loved this month. Now let's move on to movies and web series. So the first web series that I loved is Girlfriend Chore. So if you haven't watched the web series, go and watch it. It is available free on MX Player, so you can go and watch it from there. It's a very nice kind of story, like kind of relatable in a lot of boys' life. So really like the story Girlfriend Chore. The second series that I really liked is Ask the Ladies. It's a detective kind of a story. It's like kidnapping and then a lot of things mixed in it, where they show that ladies are really good in every kind of thing. If it's bad or if it's good does not matter. Ladies are good in every kind of thing. So definitely go for this web series and watch it. The third web series that I really loved is Little Things season 1 and season 2. I haven't watched the other seasons, so I'll watch them later on. But I really loved season 1 and season 2. It's such a cute kind of a love story, like very relatable and like बहुत ही cute soft love story है. मतलब क्या बोलूं, उतना ज्यादा भी मतलब अफेक्शन, उतना ज्यादा भी एक अट्रैक्शन नहीं दिखाई दिया है. उतना ज्यादा भी मतलब how can I explain? Like, I am not able to explain this web series. This is really good. You definitely need to watch it. Then the web series that I watched is Shobdo Jobdo. It's a Bengali web series and it is mind blowing. I really loved it. It is like a detective kind of a web series, like mystery web series, and I really loved it. Definitely waiting for season 2. Definitely go and watch it. Then I watched Hello season 1 and 2, and it's so amazing. I can't tell you. Raima Sen is such a great actress. Priyanka also did a really good job. And if you are looking for a very hot kind of a web series, then definitely go and watch Hello part 1 and 2, and I loved it. It's like a lesbian love kind of a web series, so definitely go and watch it. Then I watched Holy Fuck. It's also a Bengali web series. It's a season. I have watched season 1, 2 both. It's about a couple who fight all the time and still can't live without each other. So it might be relatable for some of you all. So definitely go and watch it. It's very funny. So I loved it. Then let's move on to movies. The movie that I rewatched is Baishe Strabon, and I loved the movie again. And it's such a great Bengali art film. If you don't understand Bengali, go with the subtitles and watch the movie. I'm sure you are going to love it. Then the movie that I watched is Sweater. It's also a Bengali movie. It's a recent release, not very recent, but a recent release. 1 year ago hua tha release, I guess. And I really like the web series because and I really like the movie because in the movie it's shown that a girl can't do anything, but she wants to do something. She wants to achieve something in her life. She has a bad luck, but she still fights for her luck, and she still fights for her existence, and that is what matters. So if you want to see something like that, a very close to my heart movie, then definitely watch Sweater. Then I watched 3 Hindi movies. First one is Mardani 2. I loved it. It's such a great movie. I loved it. Rani Mukherjee did such an amazing job, and the criminal's acting was also awesome. So definitely go watch Mardani 2. Then I watched Hacked, kind of a similar movie. I like Mardani 2 because there also Hina Khan and the kid. It's kind of a similar kind of a thing, but Hina Khan also did a really nice acting part, so I loved that also. Then the last thing that I loved for this month is Commando 3, and I just love Commando as a film series. I loved Commando 1, I loved Commando 2, I loved Commando 3. Commando 3 is really good. I love Vidut Jamwal. I just can't express my love towards him. I love Vidut Jamwal. And the villain in the movie who was ब्रेन वॉश कर रहा था हर एक इंसान का, that villain also did a really good job. His acting was mind blowing, and I also like the girl who was also in Commando 2. So her acting is really cute and interesting. But Vidut Jamwal's techniques, his fighting skills and all the things, his stunts and everything, I just loved it, and I just love him so much. So yeah, that's all for this month's favorite things, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is linked down in the description box below. So yeah, bye.